Welcome to our channel. Today we how to backup Slack files to Google Drive automatically, full guide step by step clearly. To backup Slack files to Google Drive automatically, start by opening your web browser. Go to the Google Drive website and sign in to your Google account. Next, open a new tab and head to the Slack API website. Once there, click on your apps in the top right corner. If you don't have an app created yet, click Create New App. Choose a name for your app and select the Slack workspace you want to backup files from. After creating the app, you will be directed to the App Settings page. On this page, navigate to the OAuth and Permissions tab on the left sidebar. Scroll down to Redirect URLs and add a redirect URL for your Google Drive integration. Next, generate OAuth tokens by clicking Install App and authorizing your app. Once you have the OAuth token, keep it handy, as you will need it later. Now, head to the Google Cloud Console. Create a new project and click on Enable APIs and Services. Search for the Google Drive API and enable it for your project. Next, go to the Credentials section on the left sidebar. Click Create Credentials and choose Service Account. Follow the prompts to create your service account, granting it proper permissions. Once the service account is created, download the JSON key file. You will need this file to authenticate with Google Drive. Return to your Slack API dashboard and open the Event Subscriptions tab. Enable events by toggling the switch on. Add a request URL that points to a server or service capable of handling the events from Slack. Now, you need to write a script that listens for these events. Use a programming language like Python or Node.js to create this script. In your script, use the Slack OAuth token to fetch file details when a file upload event occurs. Then, use the Google Drive API to upload these files to your Google Drive. Make sure to handle authentication using the JSON key file you downloaded. Test your script to ensure it captures file uploads and backs them up to Google Drive. Monitor your integration regularly to ensure it's working smoothly. You can set up error logging to help troubleshoot any issues that arise during the backup process. Finally, consider scheduling periodic checks to maintain and update your setup as needed. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.